Hello everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in, watching this video. I know it has been a few weeks I haven't made anything, and the reason for that has to do to the fact that there has been not a whole lot of track. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not a type of person that I like to be hyping things that are not there. I keep seeing videos of people uploading that massive hurricane coming, or category 5 hurricane or major hurricane, blah 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 blah. Don't misunderstand me. Yes, we have had some activity, but it has not been, pretty much there has been no threat to anyone. So that's pretty much why I haven't really made any videos regarding those storms, because it was the whole point. I get it, we have a category 4, category 5 hurricane in the middle of the Atlantic, but if it's not affecting anybody, what's the whole point? So whenever that, I just wanted to get that out there, and it kind of explained why I haven't made any videos, even though there have been a few storms. But here, I'm just gonna make this video, just the GFS, literally showing a potential major hurricane. Again, take it with a grain of salt. It's gonna change. I've mentioned this before several times. Just because one model says something, it doesn't mean anything. Once you start having consistency, that's when you need to start paying attention. And we are not seeing that consistency yet. Now, we are seeing some kind of development in the Caribbean, probably a week to 10 days out, but nothing to be concerned. So let's start off with the GFS. Move it up in time. You guys can see this wave right here. And let's see here. Let me move it a little bit further out. I mean, you can see, yes, it does intensify significantly south of Cuba, cuts through Cuba. It's a major hurricane. Kind of intensifies, gets pretty close to Florida, and it goes out to sea. I mean, that has been the story of 2025 hurricane season. Everything has been pretty much going out to sea, with the exception of one tropical storm at the beginning of the season that basically formed. But now, again, just the GFS, okay? Now, if we go further, we look at the euro. The euro basically shows almost nothing, just a low pressure down in South America. We look at the Canadian model. The Canadian model does show something, okay? Weak, really not developing at all, and kind of fizzling out. Then we look at the icon, the German model. German model, same thing, just a low pressure system somewhere in the Caribbean. Again, what I'm trying to point out here is I'm not going to be hyping anything that is not there. I mean, for what? Trying to get likes, trying to get clickbait, clickbaiting people, trying to get clicks on my videos? No, I'm not going to do that. I don't like it. I've never been a fan of it, and I'm going to give you the news straight how they are. Now, let's take a look at the National Hurricane Center and see what they're saying. See, the National Hurricane Center hasn't even highlighted anything neither. The only thing that is really showing is Tropical Storm Lorenzo, which is going to the middle of nowhere. That has been the story this year. Look at that. And it's about, it should basically fizzle out in a matter of a day or two. So again, there's not a whole lot of impacts of anything right now. We are, this season so far reminds me like 2010, where we had multiple hurricanes form. I mean, 2010 was a lot busier, but pretty much everything went out to sea. And that's what I'm seeing here, and not what I'm seeing, what has happened, because you guys have seen it for the past few months. But anyways, I wanted to just address that and also show you what majority of people are talking about. We may have major issues in the Caribbean. We may, but it's just not there. It's just not there. Just because one particular model is showing it, it doesn't mean anything. And that's what I wanted to clarify and shine some light to it and bring it to you guys' attention, because you guys probably have seen it all over social media, just how I have. But I wanted to keep you updated, bring you the actual facts, actual information. Like I said before, don't forget to comment, like this video, share with your families and friends in the Caribbean. Again, nothing to be concerned, but if anything changes, I will keep you guys posted. I appreciate you watching. Have a good day.